News Avenue back with the bang namhlanje sivakashele uDaisy somabhizinisi of notes. Daisy Kethi bani kulezi insuku ngimbona njalo uDaisy yazi angazi kwenzeka kanjani but bese nginesikhathi eside ngingamazi ukuthi ucashephi kwenzakalani empilweni yakhe kodwa ngithe ngimbona nje hayi ubhizi ngambona ukuthi ubhizi ngempela. Angibingelele Daisy, right?
Yes, ngiright njani sis?
Jabula ukukubona after a long time.
True, hey.
Hey, kumele ngikhuluma impilo ikhathi zakoYunisa. Usafunde Yunisa. By the way, uma wamawele angithi. Or uyayifihla le?
No,
Hey,
it's
madoda.
true.
Abantu ngeke uba confirm.
Exposure.
But ke namhlanje sithi asihlale no Daisy because usoba business uyazi ukuthi la kwi News Avenue senisiqiniseko sokuthi sikhuluma nawo wonke umuntu owenza something. Wenza something uyibonakalisa nathi sokubona sibe sesiyaku-invite la hlale nawo. Sesikhulume nabantu abaningi oMike Babuya Khulu ngokwepolitiki, omkhuleko Hlengo baningi sele khuluma no Ntokozo Ngcobo ungamcheka nje we-ANC Youth League. I think naba EFF sesikhulumile nabo sakhuluma nabo MK sakhuluma nosomabhizinisi of notes oJabu Stone siyaqhubeka ke kuleyo lokhuzana kulo mgqiqo sike sakhuluma futhi nomntwana wakamthembu umntwana kaMthembu uyokhumbula ukuthi udlala i-basketball netball yeah but baningi esikhuluma nabo uDaisy semlande ngawo side lamabhizinisi because inhloso enkulu ukuthi sibuye simotivate nabantu abasha ekhaya ungabeliveli ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi uzoqashwa ungakwazi ukuyiqalela umsebenzi wakho because i-economy yethu ibheda kakhulu. I understand ukuthi sino G20 la eMzansi kubukeka kuthembisa kodwa imisebenzi ayakabi khona. Daisy asikhulume ngalezi zinto nje singene emxholweni ubani uDaisy?
Daisy is just a normal South African born and bred in this province. I'm an entrepreneur. Been around for past 22 years in the business of many ideas, of course. Yeah, so today I'm here to tell you about.
So bukhona vele uphusha business?
Yes.
A business elinjani?
Security business.
Security business.
Yes.
But angifuni ukuthi sistike kakhulu lapho uphushile security business ofunde kuphi?
Ngifundile eUNISA. Yes.
Because ngenzelani ngenzela abantu babone nama institutions ukuthi bongene kona kwenzeke something maningi ama institutions la and ngicela njengabe kuzoqala unyaka omusha nje niwabheke abantu abami nama institutions khona into ekuthiwa iSouth African Qualifications Authority uyibheke ukuthi leyo institution othi uyoregister kuyona ikhona yini ngaphansi kwesaqa bathi saqa ya ngoba kubhlungu ukuthi kuphela unyaka kuthiwe i-institution yakho ayiregistanga. Please, it's a brotherly advice, take it. So Daisy uthena ke bese uqeda ke lapho kuYunisa wabona ukuthi wena you don't want to be employed ufuna ukuyiqalela ibusiness lakho wawusungena kwi-security so ngithathe from lapho.
Okay. It was always my inspiration to be an entrepreneur as a young lady. Well, way before 1994. Well, things happened to be right for the country when we got our 1994. With big dreams, yes. So with good minds and goal-driven, of course, the country got democracy and we got better opportunities. Yes, so it just came in the right time.
So savuleleke ukuthi nathi siqalele into zethu.
Absolutely.
Le mentality ukuthi ngifuna ukuba iphoyisa. Ngifuna ukuba uthisha, ngifuna ukuba unesi. By the way, ama professional are right lawo.
Yes.
Understand? But before besinelesi scope sokuthi kufanele ube lezo zinto other than leyo nto uhlele ekhaya.
Yes.
But manje sekuvelene indaba zokuthi hayi man ungayiqalela ibusiness kwawena ungayi lezi zinto lezi uye emkhathini nawe ungashayela amabhanoyi. I think into esilekelelile ngokwe-democracy ukuthi you can do whatever.
Yes.
Understand and ayikho into ekuvimbayo. So Daisy ngiya-understand ukuthi uzalelwe wakhulela kuphi?
KwaMashu.
Sinqaweni.
Yes.
Hey, Sinqawu stand up. One of your your own ukhona namhlanje la e-studio. So Days, ngicabanga ukuthi into efanele singenele kuyona kakhulu manje. Ngiya-understand futhi ukuthi umuntu we-family organized nje njami ngiyayiphatha nendaba yamawele. Ake sikhulume ngale product oze ngayo namhlanje. Ngiyayibona nawe amakani ongithathe ungibeke ngale product nanenhloso yayo nanokuthi yini e-triggerishile ukuthi uqale le product oyiqalile.
It Gets Energy is one of many of the business ideas that we are unfolding in our business group. So we felt it is the right time because we saw the opportunity in the market, Kuma energy drinks. So we worked on it and we felt this is it, and we came up with this brand that Gets Energy. So yes.
Bengifuna mina le-energy drink ngiyithola kuphi yini igama layo Gets Energy ngiyithola kuphi because ngiyayizwa ngile ngiyishaya kancane ngiyayizwa ishaya kahle but Daisy fast forward futhi abantu abaningi banocomplain ama-energy drinks nami ngiphuza ngiyasaba yabo ukuthi bathi ngokwezempilo ayikho awekho kahle abawathestile but wena vele waqhamuka nento exakile ngama-energy drinks ngiyangibona long term angazi yakhumbula lelo kale kuthi long term and all that. Ngicela ungichazele ukuthi why the size yenzani ngokwempilo njengabe ngibuza njengoba lento le isatshwa kakhulu abanye abantu ngokwempilo.
Okay. I-energy drink yethu sithathe isikhathi esiningi e-lab working on the ingredients on its own. So ama-ingredients wethu ama-ingredients of note. So ama-ingredients asetshenzwe ngendlela yokuthi are of a high value. So i-standard sawo are 100% in a sense that ama-ingredients that will not give you aftertaste and that will not give you a heartbeat side effect. So that's how much we spend a lab with the ingredients. We worked with the likes of Pembrooks. Pembrooks, which has been around in the food industry as from 1872 in this country, which is highly certified. And we worked with Tiny Cake, where when the product is being packaged, it takes each and every batch. It's being quality controlled and still being certified. And more and above that, each packaging is being certified, and we know where it's going in terms of coding. So we know this batch is in KZN and where per se. So the consumers, we will know who is consuming in that perspective. We can go up to that deep. So what's in the package, we're very confident what we put in. So that's how much we worked in terms of this production and ingredients. So people that we trust in the industry, and we're very confident of our ingredients health-wise per se.
So it is still
highly tested and highly qualified.
Yeah, I don't know. Mhlambe omunye umsebenzi mhlambe osahlalele abantu bama-energy drinks ukusiconvince ukuthi ayixabani nini kakhulu nenhliziyo because ngathi bekuthiwa unezifo ey'thinta inhliziyo inogo area indaba yama-energy drinks, ne?
I think that also depends on individual's health as well. So if you know your health status, we will advise you to do so, to take care of it. But we also did all the precautions. In terms of our size, it comes as a 330 ml, which is just enough size for individual consumption. So we did not go for the long toms to prevent such. So 330, it's just enough size for an energy drink. It's an advice that we got.
Okay, mina nginenhlanhla Days ukuthi ngihlangane nawe ngiyithole. Understand? Ngicabanga ukuthi omunye umuntu uzothola kanzima or kwenzakalani lethe ngiyayifuna. Ngifuna ukuyithenga. Ngiyithola kuphi le energy drink?
We are now available at Spar. the spa where we got the shelf at, which is the spa at Mtshepeni, and the spa at Kwabesta, and the spa at Kwamashu. And we're also available at Half a G Engine Garage, also at Inanda, and Mzwai Engine Garage.
Ngiyabona la kunamahamsa amaningi khona.
Yes. So the North region of KZN is giving us a tremendous support so far. And we're also getting a lot of gigs, events. KZN is known for events in the festive seasons. So the organizers are giving us a tremendous support to come and display the drinks. So thank you to that, because it's a local drink. It's a KZN drink, Durban drink. But yes, of course, we're planning to go national and global if the market permits. Yeah, but we're getting a huge support, the local support.
Yeah, ngiyakhumbula nje, I think ey'nsukwini ngike ngakubona futhi bekunomcimbi laphana eMusic House KZN. You were there presenting and doing all of that. Ukhuluma nama-influencers.
Yes.
I think leyo futhi yayinhle kakhulu.
Absolutely. Yes, KZN has given us a lovely platform as well to expose us to the content and media influencers.
Yeah, under the stewardship of uSisi uPhumelele ewangaMngomezulu. I think wambona that day.
Yes, I did. A lovely lady.
Indeed. I think nje ungasilandela ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana, siyatholakala laphana kwi-News Avenue. Usilandele, ulike, usubscribe as well, and bawusicheckisisa kahle, siyagijima laphana ko-Facebook, sikhona futhi nako YouTube, nakubona wonke nje ama-platforms lawa ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana uzosithola. Siyagijima kakhulu, yenza isiqiniseko sokuthi you just tell your friends about us, tell them ukuthi khona i-News Avenue. Yenza isiqiniseko sokuthi uyabona lento yoku-expose i-black excellence, basho njalo. You understand? Senza isiqiniseko sokuthi siyabalanda abantu bakithi abenza izinto ezinhle emphakathini, because into esiyibalekelayo nowadays prioritize kakhulu lezi iy'tori ey'negative about us, understand? And i-reality ithi abasitsheli kakhulu ngey'tori zabo laba bezinye iy'nhlanga ezinegative. Sibona beshayina nje. I think engase si-adopted that thing as well, yokuthi senze isiqiniseko sokuthi nathi siyayiveza lezi y'tori ezinhle. Khona manje uqale into okuyiyakho. I think abantu efanele bayisapothe kakhulu abodaki futhi, understand? I think ngaleyo ndlela sizoya phambili kakhulu.
Of course. Kuthiwa umuntu ngabantu. Isisho njalo, and so is this product. I think what I didn't say earlier is what influenced us to develop the product, or what ideas that brought up the product. The idea that brought up the product is the fact that it is a brainchild of where the product is coming from. It's a brainchild of the fact that it was coming from taking care of our employees, which are the taxi drivers, which is our employees, and how do we best take care of them. And from just being employees, we developed a system where UIF was paid, and they were being paid from the system of envelopes. And then we did better from that, where we pay them, we open bank accounts, so now money is being transferred into their bank accounts, so they can be able to have a credit score and so on, so their lifestyle can be bettered. So having a UIF and having a bank account where your salary is being paid into, it uplifts one's lifestyle, because these are men who are breadwinners, and they are household breadwinners, or let me say they are heading imizi emakhaya. So it gives them some status, and also it gives them a reason to wake up in the morning to say, nami ngiqashiwe ngemsebenzini, because they know there is some sort of a package, or there is some benefit. But more than above that, it also gives an employer and an employee a better relationship, because you know that your employer can take care of you and you're also taking care of your employee. So
I think mhlambe we can also add ukuthi bo drive uvuka ekuseni ayidingi energy le.
yes, so these things went as far as we had an employee who's been with us for past 15 years. So lo muntu lo is now more than just an employee. So umuntu osethole ngisho umntwana wathola unkosikazi phambi kwethu have developed that much. And so ngisho nathi like, yes, simbone progressing in that perspective. Naye la ekhaya usebone nathi kufika a new member of family ekhula azeqeda isikole. Usebe umalume waziwa ubaba wazoba part of this family. Sesimtrusta ngale ndlela le ukuthi we can say now ukhe wasekhaya ngicela uphuthume ekhaya and take something like this. So those kind of people is not people that you take them lightly in your life and even in your business. But these people are the people that help your business prosper. These people understand that you had an idea because a business is an idea. So you understand that at the end of the day, they get tired. People are human beings. They are not robots.
Yeah.
So how do you better or how do you make sure that they basebenza at an optimum level at all the time? And mind you that the industry that they are in, it's an industry that is demanding energy at all given time. When they wake up at 2:30, they need to be at the taxi rank at 3:30. And they finish at 11:30. They need to be vigilant on the roads at all given time. We don't expect them to be to cause accident. And there is so much that we expect out of them. Customer care service from commuters. And everything, and all these things being handled by one person, which is the driver. So at the end of the day, they are tired. We expect them to be clean. There's no time for them to do all these things. Even shaving, there's no time for them to shave and clean and wash and do all these things that we expect them as community at large and as society, that we want this guy to be well presented. We even want them to wear ties and have clean nails and, you know, but in reality, where is the time for this guy to be well presented? Now, let's give them energy to go this extra mile, to do this customer satisfaction, to be these good drivers, to be vigilant, to prevent accidents, to obey the rules of the road. But of course, the energy drink is not only for them.
Yeah.
Okay? It's for everybody who works that hard. But the idea was inspired by the fact that these guys, we appreciate them. We can say whatever that we like, but this is the core. People who transport millions of people to work.
Yeah, ngiyabona amateksi abhalwe uGetsemane edlula.
Yeah, but Caesar, not only our family, many other, because public transport is the core of the economy in this country.
True.
Yes.
No, I agree with you lapho. Sahleli naye uDaisy Getsemane ophethe iGetse energy drink. Iphelele ngibiza kahle.
Gets energy.
Oh, Gets energy drink. Imnandi ngiyayiphuza kuyimanje la e-studio kuhleli naye uDaisy uyasixoxela nje ukuthi yonke le ndaba iqale kuphi because iqala somewhere uthi ke yena ibusiness li idea shothi iqale nge-idea ethize babe sebeyiphesula le idea ngoba nowadays excuse me ayikho into ebaluleke njengokuthi wenze isiqiniseko sokuthi le idea leyo usuyicabangile uzame phela uku-implement. Some people out there banama brilliant ideas but yabona ukuba scared of the unknown. Umuntu uthi ngizothi ngiyayizama lento ngihluleke bangihleke and all the stuff. How to nje get rid of that mentality for our society?
You have to believe in yourself. Believe in yourself and trial and error. There's nothing wrong with trying and error. And you try until you get it right. Put your best foot forward, as they will say.
ya no ngiyakuzwa uDaisy-ke sahleli naye njengamanje usichazela ngale drink yakhe ungakhohlwa ukusilandela ey'nkundleni zokuxhumana and tell your friends about us. It's News Avenue sinephepha by the way lilandelwa abantu abaningi laphana ku-Facebook siney'ntatheli eziyilandayo lezo y'tori and yenza isiqiniseko sokuthi uyasilandela ubuye sibheke laphana ku-YouTube kule podcast yethu njengamanje izodlala nje nayo umbone uDaisy. This thing izinto ey'kanje ziyamotivate Daisy. Ukuthi wena if you can why can't?
Absolutely.
Yabona? That's the spirit. But-ke bayibiza malini le drink le ngothi ngiyibonela ikani nje bese ngiyifuna esitolo or mhlambe bengidlula ngasemthembeni kule ndawo ngosipala sikade uyibala ngiyithola ngamalini and kuze uDecember phela manje.
Yes.
And can I use it to have isiphuzo sami?
Yes.
Ake ngibe straight nje lethe ngiyiphuzela lama brand eyishisayo ngibe sengisebenzisa yona ke to have it normally kwenza kanjani?
Yes. It's number 1 kwi-mixology, so ungayisebenzisa kakhulu ukumixa isiphuzweni esishisayo. Good. We would love to see people using it for that.
But it's adding amanzi. Just checking.
Ice preferably.
Or ice?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
I'm not, ice preferably.
Uyenza kanjalo?
Yes, so far.
Okay.
So it's your hot stuff, and this. So if you prefer more cold, then we can add ice.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So yona qobo lwayo mangabe ufuna ibande kakhulu nayo ungayi-add ama-ice.
Oh.
Yes.
Asibuyele kule question ye-price ke manje ngiyayifuna ke manje ngifuna ukufunela namajidami gcwele ama-cooler box manje siyahamba kuthiwa short left.
Yes.
Siyayifuna siyaphuma senza kanjani in terms of i-price and all?
Okay. I-price njengamanje it's 20 rand on a shelf. Yes. It's 20 rand on a shelf.
So but on a shelf like bona ko spa and then bengiza avoid le yaba shelf because ngathi sekude extra yabona. Ngenza kanjani?
Ayisho ke bohlakana nami ke uzothola i-price engcono kakhulu ke phela kunase spa, of course. Mawethenga nawe in a bulk.
But izohleli khona.
Izohlezi ikhona.
Sengenzela ukuthi ungasijwayezi izinto. Sekuyaba sekuthiwa akhambanga kahle.
No. Le izohlezi ikhona i-drink is for even for future generations to come. Ayindawo, it's here to stay.
Oh,
it's a KZN drink.
But maningi ama-events ke azobenzeka kulo December bafethu engibaziyo abanye ukuthi ke ama-job opportunities ushuthi azobe khona nakulena. Because phela I can't do it for free bengizokuplanga ngivele ngithi mina ngizokhuluma ne-Fake Step and Rocks ngizokhuluma ne-Inkkas ngizokhuluma usplash lafana kala utira ngizokhuluma nomduco we-jazz. Understand zonke lezo zinto ngenza kanjani ukuthi till percentage?
As I said ukuthi ngingwala KZN and ngiyazi ukuthi iTheku lenza izinto zenzeke njengoba uba mention everyone in the entertainment with all
space less.
Yes, the entertainment industry, they've made it possible and I respect them bonke ngokunjalo. Ngiyathemba nami ukuthi bazongamukela njengoba ngisayingane efufusayo kwi-industry bangamukele banginikeze i-platform ngikhule ngize ngikwazi ukufika la ezingeni nabo abafike kulona ngizimisele nami ukusebenzisana nabo ngingabaphuli.
And ngibonile yazi when was this thing the day before yesterday ukuthi lento izophuma mhlambe sikade isidlulile mhlambe ngeviki or 2 depending ukuthi unonto nonaledi bathini kodwa ke abantu abaningi bayithandile lelo khuzana la benganginabo ama-influencers first and foremost. I'm talking about people commander i-following yo 100 million ngangiqala ukuzwa kanjalo kuthiwa khona abantu abalandela abantu more than million 2 million. Ayibo, I was shocked and ingane ezincane and okungichaza ngazo lezi ingane ezazilapha zisebhizinisini. shamakhala bozofuna ukwenzisa izinto mahhala zifuna ukukhokhelwa manje ukuze ziphile nazo yabona le nto le ndlela entsha yokuphila esinayo njengamanje into enhle ukuthi bakhona abantu abazokucreate-kela umsebenzi out of this thing because bengibona bengibona lokhu like uZoso ngiclose uKing Zoso westairs understand and have the following massive so if ezovele isikhulile inkampani yabo let's say isikhulile inkampani igets energy sekunemoto ebrandiwe siyayidrive understand uyayidrive create that awareness abesefaka nezinto ezithize yabo lele ibhale that's part of marketing ne ay marketing entsha le yeah because thina sasilendala word of mouth and manje sekubakhethwa nangezinye indlela zama influencers yabo
yeah we are developing every day.
Yeah. And I'm sure uzohambela namarenka ngithi awubhekile bokhuluma nathi sicabange amatekisi akaGetsemane kuphela asikhusi kakhulu ngabanye amatekisi akhona amarenka especially eMlazi yabona eMlazi
yes
yo
the whole industry at large
that's one township hayi Mlazi is the best especially we support I'm not too sure for Masho no Nandi but uMlazi I know karaktekile lapha ukuthi boye eMlazi uzobara and okuhle ngeke uyibambele zonke lezi zinto
yes
kodwa ingane ezothola umsebenzi
yes
but ke nje ngicabanga ukuthi angazi kusekhona ini Daisy ofuna ukueda mhlawumbe sikushile ngemistake ngiyazi umuntu obusy lesikhathi esisitholile kuwena nje sisho likhulu hopefully ukuthi ibusiness izoqhubeka so lele simonitor nje nathi siphinde sikubize futhi sithi hey sekukuphi manje khamba kanjani
yes at this stage production yonke is out of KZN so we are working hard right now to bring the whole production back to KZN because when we were doing the development we could not find somebody or companies in KZN to work with us but we hope to bring everything back in KZN for uplifting employment so when we're saying KZN product we want to be 100% KZN. Yes so so that we uplift employment and also opening opportunities for other businesses as well, for other vendors like small vendors like Abu Mama as well. We are going to give them those opportunities. We know how it works here in Durban, so those are the other opportunities that we are going to open. So yes, so those are going to approach us and we are going to also approach them and to see if it's going to, the plan is going to work. So when we are saying we are here for KZN, we mean it, we mean business and we know how it works. So when we're saying we're starting at a grassroots level, we know that we're touching everybody with this product.
Yazi ngibona nje abantu abasha fabanyakaze-ke ngoba ngiyibona nje kunetafula laphana sida ngasemarket sida ngako workshop sida ngako point la ekwaziwa khona ukutholakala igets energy so ihleli laphana umuntu elele idayisi ayithathele leyo percentage yakhe yabona lento ngendlela emnandi ngayo ngathi 25 rand Ushayo 5 rand. Ushayo 5 rand. Ubuyisele eceleni. But bowurelaxile Daisy ungasekho kulesi phithi se-Gets Energy urelaxa kanjani? Kahle do you?
That's a nice one. I'm trying to find something that I can do in order to relax.
Why fihle ngiveze ukuthi ushadile?
How?
Relax,
I didn't realize you will scrutinize that deep.
Sesirelaxile siqedile manje ngeproduct.
Okay.
Sesikhuluma up close and personal now.
Yeah. Yeah.
Umlandeli Pirates Chiefs?
None.
None of the above. Ulandelani? Rap.
Not really.
How relax kanjani?
Netball.
Angazi lutho nge-netball. Yazi uze
I'm
wahamba
a
umisa imithimba
netball
ungazi
buddy.
lutho
I'm a
nge-netball.
netball buddy. So I've been playing netball since primary school. I'm still a netball player. So
Uthanda Generations or Uzalo?
uh, Uzalo, it's a local production also, and yeah, and I'm bound to support it since it's local.
Yeah.
Yes, they've came with so many opportunities, and yes, yeah, that's why I'm bound to support that.
So uthini kubantu ngicathi into esikhuluma kakhulu le GBV ithini take yakho ngale nto GBV?
It's quite touching, and one cannot abstain from not supporting such movements that speaks on GBV. My stance on that is that we have to do our part, each and every one of us, males and females, to curb this crime against women. It's been ongoing for so many centuries globally, but to speak on our nation, South African behalf, justice needs to prevail, or let me say justice, we need justice to stand up for our women or for us.
What about us?
Yes, as well. For males, yes, we have cases, very critical cases.
What about Alphabet Gang?
Look, the whole nation as a whole is being jeopardized here in terms of justice. But if I were to focus on female per se, my perspective is a lot has been done, but a lot has been neglected.
Oh, okay.
When we speak of females, we're speaking of people who are powerless. People who are powerless in terms of we can talk. We know, most of us now knows our rights. As much as we can talk, but we cannot defend ourselves physically when we are being attacked. And that is where the weakness is. So I, for one, and my friends, we know legally what is due to us or what is right for us, and I can go to court. But when the door closes and I'm inside the room all by myself, I'm defeated. And I can die there. That is the problem. And then can the law stand up for me when I'm
Mhlambe izinto ekanje kusafanele uhulumeni ongenayo abe serious nazo ngoba ziya frustrate. I understand that ufonela i-office le-government. Understand that ama-frustrations owatholayo angithi khona into ekuthiwa ibathupile, but abantu abasubscribe to such things kodwa iphushwa yibona ukuthi abantu kuqala. But ubone nje ngathi uyahlupha kwalento oyifunayo makabe uyalekelelwa easily, but ufonele umuntu ongathi akathandi nokwenza lo msebenzi azoholela end of the month yena ubheka isikhathi ukuthi uphuma. But izinto ezenzakalayo but days asibe kakhulu ukuthi uzivakashele namhlanje kube intokozo ukuthi nje ushare everything, uzositshela nange-product yakho abantu abayifunayo. Mhlawumbe ungangiphindela nje ukuthi okwamanje bayithola ngingakwazi kodwa ukukufonela ngithi Daisy ngicela usilethele i-24 sikuphi, mhlambe seMontclair or seMlazi bengakafiki, mhlambe eToti ngenze example, mhlambe umuntu ozosidistributela silandele, because ezinye izinto ivele ikungene engathi ungahlela uyisebenzisa. Ngeke ngihlele ngiyali what you call emtshebheni bengifuna or enanda.
Okwamanje, yes, but will be soon available at most of the retailers.
Oh, okay.
Yes,
Okay.
very soon. Yeah.
No, ngiyakuzwa kahle. But-ke asibonge kakhulu ukuthi usivakashele namhlanje. Mhlambe lakho lokugcina.
We're looking for a support. Ukuthi nithenge idrink ni enjoy, and yes. Thank you for having us.
I think kusafe ukuthi nje ube nokhisimusi omuhle. Ungene kahle futhi nasenyakeni, because I think I'm seeing you for the last time ku 2025. sengizobona post 2025. Don't you dare do what I wouldn't do. If you do it, please take pictures. I'm out.
Thank you.